15-day ride out to Utah. Check out all the national parks.
So you ready? You ready for the ride?
Yeah.
Gonna stop for breakfast. We're just outside of Barstow.
Second day, Bill. We'll see how it goes.
Doesn't seem like we're getting that far.
Oh, we're flying. We're just.
Right.
It was hotter than I thought it was going to be. It was 95. So anyway, it was a good ride today.
Yeah.
We'll take the bus and check out the park.
Yeah. Doing old folks day. Morning, everybody. Day 3, bus trip through Zion.
There's Bill. He
Finally caught up.
Bill made it. Gonna walk through the narrows, see how far they are. Day 4, leaving Zion. We're going to head to Bryce, see what adventures that brings us.
Bryce. Completely different.
A little different landscape, right?
Yeah.
The weather's been good. Haven't had no rain. A little hot, but not too bad. Well, we found a hotel in Torrey that's pretty scarce. We got the last room. Bill's getting ready to unload his.
50 miles further to get it.
But it's beautiful out here.
How's my Prince Harry?
The Queen's getting married this morning. What do you know?
Piece, if you like, of the traditional royal
There they go.
look at that.
Yeah. So today is day 5. We're here at the town of Torrey, and from here we're going to go to
Capitol Reef.
Capitol Reef and the Arches. We're going to try to do those 2 parks today, and then see how it goes.
Yeah, not bad. We hit a little bit of rain yesterday. Bikes are a mess.
Yeah, but it's been good.
Yeah.
The scenery here is just unbelievable.
Yeah. Utah is just it's a beautiful state.
Yeah. We're at the Arches. We're in this big long line trying to get into the park. We went to the Arches yesterday. Today we're going to go to Canyonland. We found a hotel here in Moab. It's a brand new one actually, but boy, this is like a big tourist little town, and we were lucky. We're gonna go back to Canyonland. We passed it up. You know, we missed the turnoff, so it's just back a few miles. And check that out, and then from there we're going to start heading out towards Page. That's going to be our next stop, which is probably about 300 miles from here. So anyway, we got a full ride ahead of us. It's been fun so far. Stopped at a rest stop, but the scenery is unbelievable. Town of Monticello. We're gonna stop for lunch right now. There's only one gas station and one little place to eat, and a hotel. Look at that rock formation. Day 7. We're in Page, Arizona. We're getting ready to check out of our room and head out to St. George. We're going to stop and see the Grand Canyon on our way out there. Hey, we're at the north rim of the Grand Canyon. and it's been a good ride. It's a lot different than the South Rim, so we're going to take a little peek on the other side and see what it looks like.
Now Jim's sitting down, he's worn out. He said he's ready for a whiskey. Gatorade's getting old, he said.
Stopping here at the Naughty Pine for some breakfast in Caliente, Nevada. Breakfast at the world famous Naughty Pine Lounge.
Can I get you something to drink?
2 coffees, please. Those cactuses?
Wild hogs, we're out of gas.
Looks like the little business didn't make it. Made it. This group of guys are from Germany.
Hello.
So where you guys been riding from?
We're from Germany and we started in San Francisco, going down the coast to Los Angeles, then over to the Route 66.
Oh, nice, nice.
And after that we went to the Monument Valley.
Uh-huh.
Today we go further to Las Vegas and then Death Valley, Yosemite Park, and back to San Francisco. That was 4,000 kilometers.
Sounds like a great ride.
It is.
All right, guys. Well, you guys ride safe, huh?
Thank you.
We'll see ya.
Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
Okay. Goodbye.
Maybe I'll see you on the road some other time.